The UER lever rose set. Unbox the set and read the installation manual carefully. Adjust the direction of the latch tongue by turning the faceplate. Prepare the door as described in the instructions. For easier preparation, use the attached template. Insert the latch into the door and fasten it with 2 wood screws. Now insert the spindle and make sure that the holes of the spindle point towards the set screws of the lever handles, which will be mounted later. Slide the other pre-assembled lever onto the spindle. Make sure that the spindle is centered. Fix it by tightening the set screw. Now slide the disassembled sub-rows on the threads of the pre-assembled sub-rows and fasten it with 2 machine screws. Push the second lever handle on the spindle and the sub-rows. The cams should fit into the hole. Check the function and fasten the lever by tightening the trim ring and set screw.